Here, once again, sub 5 going to B flat, and he's playing a B flat 7 and not a B flat minor 7. So these are very typical devices he's using, like we also saw in Joe Bass his playing. And then here, I think it's like a 3/4 thing. He does play it exactly the same at the end. And if I just let it in 4/4, then the rest would, yeah, obviously be shifted over one beat, and then it just wouldn't make sense anymore. So the 3/4 could have been here, could have been there, but I had to cut a beat somewhere. So again, a little counter melody. He's very clear in his line, so it's not any ambiguity. There's just here some chromatic passing tone. This I would see as just a flat. This could be either E flat 7, so root 7, flat 7, and then arpeggio up, which is a common thing to do, which then would resolve to the root, and then a third. I would say that would be the case. You could argue this would just be D flat major 7, which it is. And then here it goes to E flat 7, so I would just think E flat 7. Again, B flat dominant instead of minor 7, going to A7. This should have been a C sharp instead of E flat. The A7 resolves down to A flat 7, which happened before, but I don't think I mentioned. So A flat 7 instead of A flat 6. Again, E flat minor 9, A flat 7, D flat major 7 with a counter line. And then here we have the echo of the intro. G flat 7 to F7. B flat 7, A instead of E flat. And then this pickup line. And he's basically just following the harmony. G, chromatic passing tone to the flat 7. And this G flat 7 is the sub 5 for C7. I could have written it like D sharp, C sharp, and then, yeah, B sharp, A sharp. So this is from C sharp melodic minor, but this is a little bit more clear over the G flat 7, resolving to F7, resolving to B flat 7. So we're always resolving into the third. A over F, D over B flat. Guide tone lines. B flat 7, here he does play E flat 7 sharp 9. A flat dominant. And then he walks up to this C minor, which is the upper structure of A flat, E flat minor 7, and then instead of here A flat 7, he uses a tritone substitute here as well. So he's going to D, and then over to A flat, and D flat major 7. Again, walking up to this F, which is the upper structure of D flat, B flat 6, G flat 7. So here we have D flat 6, G flat 7, A flat 6. So if we look at the notes here, we have an E major triad in first inversion. This A flat is the same as a G sharp. Now, this thing is called a backdoor turnaround. So 4, flat 7, 1. What's happening here with this E triad, it's actually the upper structure of D flat minor 7. If we would spell D flat minor 7 enharmonically, it's the same as C sharp minor 7. So upper structure of C sharp is E, so C sharp, E, G sharp, B. If we start from the third, we get E, G sharp, B. Voila. So he's actually playing D flat minor 7, going to G flat 7, going to A flat 6, making it a real 4 minor flat 7, 1 progression, a backdoor turnaround. So that's what's happening here.